The Last Rites are a series of religious rituals that are performed for somebody who is near to death. Let's make the cocktail. My name is Spike, and on my other channel, I've made over 200 different tiki cocktails right here in my home tiki bar, The Breezeway. On that channel, we've gone to home tiki bars, we've done interviews, we've gone to some of the most incredible commercial tiki bars in the world. But this channel is all about the recipes. So welcome to Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Happy to have you here. So is he. Well, he's not as happy. At the end of this episode, I'm gonna answer the question, if I ordered this cocktail in a bar, would I order it again? Let's find out and see. Now that we got that out of the way, there's a cocktail that used to exist on the menu at the Mai-Kai. It was called the Last Rites, and it was invented by one of the greatest cocksmiths of all time, Mariano Licudine. He was the cocksmith that left Don the Beachcomber and went on to the Mai-Kai. And I'm really excited to make this drink because I love his drinks. I'm just not super crazy about Martinique rum. Okay, so for this drink, we are going to be using lime juice. We're going to be using falernum, passion fruit syrup, and a Martinique rum. Now, Martinique rums are polarizing. Martinique rums are produced from fresh sugarcane, not fermented sugarcane. So you have like this real vegetal, like kind of herbal quality about it. Nice cork pop. On the nose, it's like almost like a white wine. We'll see how this goes. Okay, we're gonna start with lime juice. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice into a mixing tin. Okay, next up, let's do passion fruit syrup. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of that. This is from Liquid Alchemist. They make great syrups, and if you're interested in a discount, there's a coupon code in the description below. And then we're gonna use Liquid Alchemist again for the falernum. This is like a fairly new product from them, and it's really nice. Very fresh smelling. And we just need 1/4 ounce of falernum. Now, the Martinique rum. I'm telling you, people love it or people hate it. Well, maybe people in between have opinions too, I don't know. It's not like my favorite thing. I do like that though. There is a shocking 3 ounces of rum in this drink, whereas most cocktails usually end up with 2 ounces. Mariano Licudine went liquid crazy on this one. That was the stupidest thing I've ever said in my life. All right, we are going to add some ice to this. Just like a 1.5 scoops. And let's bring out the same device that he was probably using in the 1940s. Okay, just for about 8 seconds or so. This is a vintage Hamilton Beach mixer, and you can see photos of like Don the Beachcomber using this exact guy. Or one very similar, let me say that. Speaking of Last Rites, there's a vintage cocktail glass that I have from Libby. It's like this blonde native girl whacking this dude like on the head with a thing. And it's a series of glasses, and I think there's one where he's like dragging her by her hair. So I guess this is the retribution glass here, giving him his last rites. Okay. How are we gonna garnish this thing? Why don't we add some more ice to fill? We are going to do a bloody Luxardo cherry. Put this up top here. No. Good thing it's a clean bar top. From my friends at Taboo and Company, who made this thing right here. I have this rad skull, like swizzle. They also made that. So you can get both of those from Taboo and Company. This is not sponsored, but they did give me this stuff, and I think it's rad enough to want to mention to you guys. We should probably add some mint. Don't skimp the mint, so get yourself like a nice bouquet. Twist off the bottom, and then just tuck it right behind everything so it sets like a nice scene for your cocktail. There we go. To get a cocktail like this at the Mai-Kai would be such a treat. And so, from Mariano Licudine. This is the Last Rites. Let's give this thing a try. Oh, by the way, I added some more I added a couple more skulls from Taboo and Company. Okay, cheers. Let's try the Last Rites. Oh, wow. Oh, that's interesting. Immediately, this is gonna be a polarizing cocktail. You get like the real herbal kind of grassiness of the Martinique rum. There's like hints of the passion fruit syrup. You don't get a ton of the falernum. It's interesting. If I order this in a bar, would I order it again? Mariano Licudine is a genius in cocktails. Not every cocktail is gonna be a home run, and I think there are people that like Martinique rum that would probably love this.
We recently learned from Corey Starr at the Mai-Kai, who has Mariano's notebooks, that Mariano did not actually intend to use Martinique agricole rum. Rather, it was a Martinique dark rum. So the best rum to accomplish that is the Holmes K 3-year Reunion Island Rum Traditionnel. But you could probably substitute something like Caruba, a dark Jamaican rum, to get a basic flavor profile. But Corey does also make it this way.
I think that if you are at the Mai-Kai, you have so many incredible choices like the Mara Amu, the Black Magic, the Mutiny, like so many great cocktails. If I was at the Mai-Kai and I ordered this, would I order it again? This would not be my Last Rites. If that was the choice that I had. No, I don't think so. But I don't know, like, make this thing at home. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Share this video with all your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. It's pretty fun making these drinks again, and I haven't made them for a long, long time, so I hope you're enjoying this. And if you enjoyed this cocktail, click on this link right here, because there's another great cocktail right here. Aloha. It's too weird. It's too weird. It's a weird one. Yeah.